Hi everyone, this is KSTYLEYO. Today I'm going to talk about the difference between 듣다 and 들리다. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Inyoung. I post videos about Korean language and culture in this channel. If that interests you, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. But first, I'd like to shout out one person from the last video, Joyce. Thank you for your support and for continuing learning Korean with me. If you also want your comment to be featured in the future videos, all you have to do is just comment down below because I'm gonna pick one person to shout out for each video. So today I'm going to talk about the difference between 듣다 and 들리다 Korean verbs. Learning these verbs can be confusing because they are interpreted the same way in English. But in Korean language, you need to understand the grammar structure to use these verbs. Let's figure out how to interpret each verb and how to conjugate it. 듣다 becomes 들어요. D becomes R, 들어요. So you can drag R sound to the next syllable, 들어요. 들어요. And this verb is interpreted as to listen to or to hear. The second verb is 들리다. 들리다 becomes 들려요. 들려요. Simply E vowel becomes 여 vowel. 들려요. And I interpret this verb to be heard in a passive form. The biggest difference between these verbs for grammatical reason is 듣다 allows an object in a phrase. On the other hand, 들리다 does not allow an object. So that's why I tend to interpret it as to be heard. So for this reason, it's good to remember that 들리다 is associated to be heard. But normally we also interpret this verb as to hear as well. So now let's get right into the examples using 듣다 verb. I listen to K-pop. 한국 노래를 들어요. 한국, Korean, I pronounce N as NG. It's hard to say 한국, so we say 한국. 노래 is music. Korean music. 을 object particle 들어요. Listen to. 한국 노래를 들어요. I listen to Korean music. So Korean music is the same thing as K-pop. So you could technically say K-pop. 저는 K-pop을 들어요. I listen to K-pop. I listen to my teacher well. 선생님의 말씀을 잘 들어요. 선생님 is teacher. This is possessive. That's why I pronounced it as instead of 의. 말씀. This is a word or saying in honorific way. 말씀을. 을 object particle. 잘 well. 들어요. Listen to. 선생님의 말씀을 잘 들어요. I listen to my teacher well. Literal meaning is I listen to my teacher's saying or I listen to my teacher's words. But in English, normally people say I listen to my teacher. These days I listen to audiobooks. 요즘 오디오 책을 들어요. 요즘, these days. Audio is audio. 책을. 책 is book with object particle. 을. 들어요. Listen to. 요즘 오디오 책을 들어요. I listen to audiobooks these days. As you noticed, all the examples that I used have object now because I used 듣다 verb. So now let's get into 들리다 verb. I hear airplanes. 비행기가 들려요. 비행기, airplane. 가, subject particle. 들려요, to be heard. Even though in the English interpretation I say I hear airplanes, but in Korean structure you need to understand that airplane becomes the subject. Airplane is heard or I hear the airplanes. 비행기가 들려요. I hear people's voice. 사람들의 목소리가 들려요. 사람, person, 들 makes a noun plural. people, again possessive. 목 is throat. 소리 is sound. 목소리 together means voice. 가 subject particle 들려요. To be heard. So people's voice is heard. Or you can say I hear people's voice. 사람들의 목소리가 들려요. I hear my friend's laughing sound. 친구의 웃음소리가 들려요. 친구, friend, 웃음 is laughing, 소리, sound. 가 subject particle 들려요. To be heard. So, my friend's laughing sound is heard. Or you can interpret it as I hear my friend's laughing sound. For the first sentence, you can use the verb listen to, which is 듣다. I listen to online lectures. For the second sentence, you can use 들리다 verb. I hear birds. If you like this video today, please give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you want to suggest any type of ideas for the future content, please leave a request in the comment down below and I see you guys next time. Bye bye.